A failing thermostat that shows correct terminal voltages yet remains non-responsive often indicates a defective user interface or internal control board rather than a wiring or transformer issue. When a thermostat is unresponsive despite correct terminal readings, start by isolating power and inspecting the device for visible damage, corrosion, or loose connectors. Remove the thermostat from its base to check harness pins for bent or oxidized contacts. Test the device at the manufacturer-recommended bench setup if available by applying a stable 24-volt alternating current supply to the appropriate power terminals and verifying whether the display and input functions initialize. A functioning display with no response to button presses suggests a failed input matrix or microcontroller. If the display is blank while the bench supply is present, the internal power regulation circuitry or backlight driver may have failed, requiring replacement. For battery-backed models, replace batteries with fresh, high-quality cells and recheck. Some thermostats will present full terminal voltages to the system, yet still draw insufficient current for internal operation when batteries or internal regulators are compromised. If the thermostat contains a removable face or keypad, gently pry it off and inspect flex cables and ribbon connectors for cracks or detachment. Reseating these often restores functionality, but exercise care to avoid further damage. When in doubt, consult the Thermostat Model Service Manual for internal test points and failure mode indicators, and document all voltage and continuity readings before recommending replacement, so the homeowner receives transparent justification. Common mistakes include assuming correct terminal voltage guarantees thermostat health. The solution is to perform bench power tests and inspect internal components before declaring the control board faulty. Another frequent error is replacing wiring or the furnace control board prematurely. The remedy is to verify the thermostat's own operation using isolation tests and swapping with a known good compatible thermostat when possible. A third issue is neglecting simple power sources such as backup batteries or clogged battery contacts. The quick fix is to replace batteries, clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol, and verify internal regulators under load. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local HVAC professionals who can perform accurate diagnostic steps and safe thermostat replacements. The site also helps contractors receive targeted job leads and build trust through verified project listings and homeowner reviews.